Okay, so there's another sea star crammed up in there. And this whole rock is just covered in these things. You see the sea stars? There's one right there, it's purple. And there's another one that's kind of red. I can't remember what those are called. There's also yellow ones around here, and they're called ochre sea stars. There's that place where we just were with the crab. Down in here you can see a few of those tiny sea anemones. They're not nearly as big as the ones we were just seeing. Those green ones on the rock with the crab, those things are bigger around than my hand. Ooh, here's the good ones. Okay, so these things right here look just like those green sea anemones when the water comes up. But when the water's out, they turn into these weird looking Dr. Seuss things. They're really cool. They're not nearly as pretty. If you touch them, they suck back up. And they do the same thing that these little things do. When the water comes back in, they send out little tiny tongue-looking things, a bunch of them, and filter the food out of the water. Those right there are anemones, and up on out of the water, that's what they look like when the tide's out, and down under the water, that's what they look like when the tide's in. If you look right here, I don't know why it's so out of focus, but if you look right here, there we go. There are sea snails, and those things are about the size of my fingernail. Sea snails all around here, and we have hermit crabs that take over their shells.